Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 55 of the Microsoft Word tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to edit macros inside of Microsoft Word. So if you have complex macros with a lot of formatting and so forth, it's better to re-record the macros. But if it is simple as changing just the text, so you can actually just edit the macro over here into the Visual Basic editor that comes with Microsoft Word. So over here I have the first macro and the second. I'm going to edit both of them, and to edit it simply go to macros option right here, and over here you can press edit. And you can see that in my case I got the TutorTube macro and the sub macro 1 macro, so you can see that both of them actually have the code. If you understand Visual Basic, then you can see that this actually is the text and the paragraph is aligned to center. And these are actually English words, so even if you're not a coder, you can actually understand this. So for the first macro, that's the TutorTube macro, we actually have thank you for subscribing to TutorTube. So I do not want this all caps, so I just want to turn this into TutorTube just like this. I can actually do that. And over here, I'm going to say welcome to TutorTube. No, I'm just going to say welcome to Microsoft Word tutorial series, just like this. Alright, so once I do that, I can simply close this out. And now if I were to insert the macro, so if I were to insert this, you can see that welcome to Microsoft Word tutorial series is displayed. And if I were to press Ctrl Alt and G, which is the shortcut key for my other macro, you can see that this has been changed. So if I want to change it again, simply go into macros right here. So simply go into edit, and over here you can see both the macros, or you can just select one macro and this will actually appear right here, and this is the indicator on which macro I'm actually editing. So over here I'm just going to go over here, so this is Microsoft Word, so I'm just simply going to say Word right here, and then I'm going to close this out over here. So once I do that, you can see that Control Alt and G. Alright, sorry, so this is not the macro that I edited. If I were to press this button right here, you can see that Microsoft Word doesn't appear, but welcome to Word tutorial series is the only thing that appears over here. So now if I were to do this, you can see that this is how macros work. So that is how you can edit macro inside of Microsoft Word. If you have simple macro editing, you can simply use the coding panel, the Visual Basic coding panel right there. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.